Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
All said the same thing. Corn flour and cornstarch are one and the same, a finely powdered corn product, used primarily for thickening sauces. Usually, though not always, corn flour the coding is written as 2 words while corn flour the other name for cornstarch is written as 1 word.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Not interchangeable in recipes due to their differing nutritional compositions, cornstarch and corn flour cannot be used in the same way in recipes. Since cornstarch is mostly starch and doesn't contain protein or fat, it cannot be used in the same way as corn flour in baking.
Take our lead.
Use half as much cornstarch as you would flour. For example, if the recipe calls for 2 tablespoons of flour, use 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. If the recipe calls for 1/4 cup of flour, use 1/8 cup of cornstarch. The same is true for other starches, such as arrowroot starch, potato starch, and tapioca.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.